I chose Reliable Realty because they're very friendly, personable, and they seem to care. And once we went with them, they truly took me and my husband and family on and made us feel like we were with them the whole time, and we had nothing to worry about with any of our properties that they managed for us. At first we did it on our own for a little bit, and then once we got more than one property, we felt that it might be a good idea to have a property management manage our properties, because we knew in the future we would have more than one or two. And having Reliable was just an easy choice to take. We have 3 properties that Reliable Realty manages for us. They take everything off of our back that any property management would do. We don't have to worry about if rent's coming in late, short, if there's some fixes or repairs that need to be done. They are on top of it, and I don't have to worry about finding a plumber, finding an electrician. They just have everything, and I don't feel like I have to. I'm in safe hands with them, with my properties. Reliable took every ounce of stress off of our plate. We didn't have to worry about any of rents being late. We were able to spend time with our kids. I didn't have to sit behind a desk all the time, making sure the rents came in, or repairs, or finding an electrician. Or I was able to have fun with my kids and my family and not worry about any of that before I was behind the computer most of the days. And they really took the big plate, the brunt off of my plate. Well, with the fees that they charge us, with all other companies that we looked into, they were by far way too high for a husband and wife that just had a kid. We couldn't afford it, and the fact that they were willing to have a lower fee for us to be able to do that was a godsend. We've been with them for going on 10 years, and I wouldn't have it any other way. I would absolutely, hands down, refer Reliable Realty to anybody, any family, friends. If they wanted to refer somebody to me, I would be more than happy to say yes, go to Reliable. They're family. They treat you like family. They treat you like a friend, but at the same time, they're doing a business, and they're not treating you or pushing you to the side. They're on top of it, and I don't ever feel neglected or mistreated or taken advantage of. They really truly are wonderful people and a wonderful company as well. I know that I'm in good hands with them. With the new laws that come out, they're updated all the time, monthly. Now with everything happening, new things come out, and I don't even know what the new ones could be, or if I'm even affected by that or not. But I know that Reliable, they have top of the line people there, and they know what they're doing, and they know all of their regulations and everything that they're supposed to know. And I know my property is in good hands. I'm not going to get in trouble because they are on top of everything with the laws, with regulations, and yeah.